Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's popularity nosediving. According to royal expert Angela Levin, Meghan Markle and Prince Harry will never be popular because of their unending moaning and self-pity. Levin made the comments after an opinion poll showed that the Sussex couple's public opinion plummeted. According to Google Trends, web searches for Meghan, Duchess of Sussex in the United States, where duos are busy trying to build their brand, are 50% lower today than January 3 this year. Meghan Markle and Prince Harry might have faced legal action from their own family had they named the royal racist, and the royal family will have to step up on dealing with the Sussexes, a leading reputation lawyer has said. The Duchess of Sussex told Oprah Winfrey in a bombshell interview in March that a senior member of the royal family had made a racist remark about the color of their unborn baby's skin. Meghan refused to name the identity of the royal racist as it would be too damaging for them, but Oprah later said Harry told her it was not his grandmother the Queen or his grandfather, the late Prince Philip. An updated chapter to the couple's unauthorized biography Finding Freedom, by Omid Scobie and Carolyn Durand, claims that the couple initially considered naming the royal who had made the remark before deciding to keep them anonymous in the interview. And now, Mark Stevens CBE, who formerly represented James Hewitt when allegations of his affair with Diana, Princess of Wales emerged, told Mail Plus that had the individual been named they may have been able to sue for libel and breach of privacy. Regarding the consequences of naming the source of the alleged words, Stevens said, "Essentially what you will find is that the individual, if named, may have been able to sue for libel and breach of privacy if it was a private conversation between two individuals where there was a reasonable expectation of privacy and for the contents of the conversation not to be shared with a third party, the media." Stevens added that there is a potential legal risk as the accusation currently stands because you can defame a group by not saying who said it. When asked how likely it would be that if the individual was named there would be legal action taken, Stevens said, "The royal approach until very recently has been to never complain and never explain, but they have moved away from that, so I do wonder. They will have to step up on them at some point. As long as they go uncontroverted, some people will believe the truth of them." Scobie and Durant said the unaddressed race allegations have threatened the royal family's reputation around the globe. A Buckingham Palace staffer told them, "There is a feeling that if it's ignored it will go away, but surely by now they should have learned that never happens." In this week's new poll, 55% of UK respondents and 61.6% of US respondents agreed that His Majesty did not do enough to respond to Sussex's racist allegations. A source close to Harry and Meghan told the authors of biography Finding Freedom, "There has to be some acknowledgement of understanding about what the Sussexes went through in order for there to be progress." The source added that it would take time to get past the hurt, but the interview would force people to talk in order for the healing to begin. Although difficult in recent years, sources close to Sussex say neither Harry nor Meghan regret the decisions they made. The book also claims Meghan found the interview cathartic and liberating, while Prince William was left furious. Prince William is understood to have been furious that private family matters were being discussed in the public domain, according to a new chapter of the book. At the time of the allegations, William hit back and insisted the royal family was very much not racist. The new version of Finding Freedom also includes a bold claim that the royal family was understood to have been quietly pleased that Meghan was unable to attend Prince Philip's funeral back in April, according to the Daily Mail. Prince Harry flew back to the UK from his home in California to attend the ceremony, but Meghan was unable to join him as she was heavily pregnant with the couple's second child Lilibet. At the time, sources said she made every effort to be there but couldn't get the sign-off from her doctor for the 5,400-mile trip. Although Meghan Markle didn't attend Prince Philip's funeral, she sent along a handwritten note and had a wreath made in his honor. The wreath was extremely thoughtful and included several different elements that represented different parts of Philip's life. The book claims Harry booked a one-way ticket to the UK for Prince Philip's funeral in the hope he could come together and talk with his family. The extract also claims the chat between William and Harry outside St. George's Chapel following the funeral was their first face-to-face conversation in 15 months. The book adds they went on to have at least 2 further conversations during his trip back. Harry was also said to have talked briefly with Charles, but the book claims issues between the two remain unresolved.
Thank you for watching. If you liked, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates. We will update the latest videos about the royal family every day. Thanks and goodbye.